हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, हाऊ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले फ्रॉम गोखले एज्युकेशन सोसायटीज R.M. Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome students. Today we are going to study this standard 10th geometry 6th chapter trigonometry. In 9th standard also we studied this trigonometric ratios and the relation between the trigonometric ratios and that trigonometric identities. First we have to revise that trigonometric ratios. So there are basic 6 trigonometric ratios. So let us see the formulas of the trigonometric ratios. So here the first ratio is sin theta. Theta is the measure of that angle is equal to, the formula is opposite side. Opposite sides means opposite side of that angle. Opposite side of that angle theta divided by hypotenuse. This is the formula for sin theta. Second one is the cos theta, or it is called cosine theta. So we simply call it as cos theta is adjacent side to that angle divided by hypotenuse. Now this third one is tan theta. This tan theta is the ratio of this two. Sin theta by cos theta is opposite side. So these are the basic ratios. So we must remember these ratios. We must know these ratios divided by adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent. Then fourth ratio is the cot theta. So cot ratio, cotangent, tangent and cotangent. Reciprocal of this one, tan. Adjacent side divided by this opposite side. Then fifth one is sec ratio, that is sec theta. This is the reciprocal of this cos theta, that means hypotenuse divided by this adjacent side, because this ratio plays very important role. Sixth one is, the last ratio is cosec. Cosec theta is hypotenuse, it is the reciprocal of sine divided by opposite side. Now these are the 6 basic ratios. Now there are relations between these ratios, which the first relations between trigonometric ratios. So what are the relations? First relation is this sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, or we can write this cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, or cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Second ratio is cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, or we can write this sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Third relation is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Fourth one is cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Fifth one is tan theta is equal to again 1 upon cot theta, or this cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So these are the basic formulas or relations between this trigonometric ratio. From this one, 1, 2, 3, we can write three relations again. First one is their sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, therefore sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Then sin theta into cosec theta, this product is 1, and tan theta into cot theta, this product is again 1. So let it be 6, 7 and 8. So after this one we have to write this. So sec theta into cos theta, we get 1. This sin theta into cosec theta is 1, tan theta into cot theta is 1. So these are some trigonometric ratios. Now here, for more information, one important box is given. So read that box. The great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta. The information about Aryabhatta is given here. So read the contribution of Aryabhatta in mathematics. So read that information. Now let us see some trigonometric identities. So the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this identity, this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we get the two relations. First, second one, so we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta from this one, and third one, this cos square theta, we can write the value 1 minus sin square theta from this one. So this is the first identity. This second identity, so these are the relations written from this one. The second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and third identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So these are the identities, three identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, that is the first identity. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta is second, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This is the third one. Now let us see table of values of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So how to prepare this table without by hearting? No need to by heart that table. We can directly prepare that table. Here these are the values of sin theta. Ratios are here. Here angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So here prepare this table first. Here write 0, 30, 45, then 60 and 90. Sin theta, उसके बाद cos theta, then tan theta, then cot theta, then sec theta, and last one is cosec theta. So write this one, and then we have to complete this table. How to complete this table without by hearting? So first find the values of sin theta. How to find the values of sin theta? So here 0, इसके ऊपर लिखो 0, बाद में 1, 2, 3 and 4. So above 0 angle write 0, then 31, 2, 3, 4 serially. Divided each number by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4 and divided by 4. Now find the answer. Divided by 4 is 0. Here divided by 4 is 1 upon 4 as it is. here 1 upon 2, here 3 by 4 as it is, and here it is 1. So first write 0 1 2 3 4. next step क्या किया, write 4 divided by 4, divide कर लिया, 0 divided by 4 is 0, 1 upon 4 as it is, 2 by 4 is 2 and the 2 2 is 1 upon 2, 3 by 4 as it is, 4 by 4 1. Now find the roots, square roots of each one, root of this one, root of this one, root of this one, root of this one and this one. Now write the root here. Sine 0 means root of 0 is 0, so value of sine 0 is 0. Write 30, 1 upon 2 because square root of 1 is 1, 4 is 2, so here 1 upon 2. Here the root of 1 is there 1 and root of 2 can't find, that is root 2. Here root 3 as it is and 4 का root लिखा 2. Root of 1 is 1. So in this way we get the values of sin theta. कैसा मिला देखो वापस 0, 30, 40, 60, 90. Above that write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divided by 4. 4 से divide कर लो सबको. Simplify. 0 by 4 is 0. 1 upon 4 as it is. 2 by 4 means 1 upon 2. 3 by 4 1. Then find the square roots of each one and write the square roots in sine. Row of sine. Values of sine. Sine 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now how will we get the value of cos? ये जो सीक्वेंस है यहां से मीन्स लेफ्ट टू राइट है, उसको राइट टू लेफ्ट लिख दो, उल्टा लिखना स्टार्ट कर दो. 1 root 3 by 2, next 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. So we get the cos value. साइन का वैल्यू ऐसा है तो उसको ऐसा उल्टा लिखो. बाद में tan, tan मीन्स साइन अपॉन कॉस, ये इनका डिवीजन करते जाओ. साइन अपॉन 0 upon 1, 0 upon 1 is 0. Here 2 get cancelled, we get 1 upon root 3. Here root 2 get cancelled, we get 1. And here this 2 get cancelled, we get root 3. And here divided by 3 has no meaning, so it is not defined. So dash कर दो वहां पे. tan का वैल्यू मिला 0, 1 upon root 3. ये डिवीजन किया, ये 2 कैंसिल हो गया, 2 root 2 कैंसिल हो गया, 1 ऐसा. Then इसको उल्टा करो, we get tan dash root 3 1 1 upon root 3 and 0. हो गया. Got. Now sec is the reciprocal of cos. इसका उल्टा sec 1 upon 1 यानी 1. इसका reciprocal 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of this one is root 2. Reciprocal of this one is 2 and reciprocal of 0 is divided by 0 has no meaning means undefined. So उल्टा लिख दो cosec मतलब dash 2 root 2 2 upon root 3 and 1. So in this way, without by hurting, we can prepare this table. So first prepare this table in half an hour because we get the paper before half an hour. At 10:30 we get the paper. So at last page of page prepare the table because it is useful in trigonometry as well as in our last chapter, that is mensuration. So first prepare this table. Now let us see practice set 6.1. that question number 1 to 5 are the different sum and sixth one is common sum, that is prove that, show that, means left hand side is equal to right hand side or right hand side is equal to left hand side. Let us see that first sum. That first second that sums we can use two methods. First method is using identity and second using Pythagoras theorem. So here we use identities. So let us see in 10th standard we use that identities. If sin theta is given, sin theta is equal to 7 by 25. Here what is given? Sin theta is equal to 7 by 25. Then find the values of cos theta and tan theta. Find cos theta and tan theta. तो साइन थीटा का वैल्यू हमें दिया है Using that value, we have to find cos and tan using identity. हम लोग पाइथागोरस यूज नहीं करने वाले हैं. Using identity, that alternative method is given in your textbook. You can use that method 1 and method 2, or that method of Pythagoras. So see that method. अगर आपको वो easy लगता है, you can do with that method, no problem. But we are doing with that identities. The identity is the first identity we studied, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and therefore this cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now substitute the value 1 minus sin theta is given 7 by 25, therefore here 7 upon 25 bracket square. So we get 1 minus 7 square is 49 divided by 25 square is 625. So by cross multiplication, यहाँ पे 1 है, 625 1 जा 625 minus this 49 and divided by this 625. So 625 में से अगर हम लोग 49 माइनस करते हैं तो कितना आएगा 576 divided by 625. Now this is the cos square theta. Now taking the roots, cos theta is, this is the root of 576, 24. This is the square of 24 and this is the 25. So we get the value of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to this one. Now second one, tan theta. We have to find, you know the formula. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So write the value of sin theta is 7 upon 25 and divided by this 24 by 25. So we can write 7 by 25 multiplied by the reciprocal of denominator 25 by 24. This get cancelled. We get 7 by 24. This is tan theta. So in this way, using identities, you can find the values in 6.1. So this is the first sum. Now in fourth sum, what is given? Direct value is not given. We have to find the value of one of the ratio. If 5 sec theta, 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0, then find the values of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. Then find sec theta, cos theta and so these three values we have to find here. First, consider this relation, given relation. What is given? 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0. अगर हम लोग ये टर्म राइट हैंड साइड में लिखते हैं तो क्या होगा? ये -12 जो है जो प्लस हो जाएगा. सो वी गेट देयरफॉर 5 sec theta is equal to 12 cosec theta. Now this sec theta as it is divided by ये cosec theta ये साइड में आएगा. Cosec theta is equal to 12 divided by 5. Now the sec theta is 1 upon cos theta divided by cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta is equal to 12 by 5. Now we get 1 upon cos theta multiplied by the reciprocal sin theta upon 1 is equal to 12 by 5. So this is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 12 by 5. This is tan theta is equal to 12 by 5. So we get this ratio. Tan theta is equal to 12 by 5. Now we have to find sec theta, cos theta and tan theta. We have the identity, which one identity is there, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So using this identity, we have the value of tan theta, 12 by 5. Substitute this value. So 1 plus 12 by 5 bracket square. 12 divided by 5 bracket square. So we get 1 plus 144 divided by 25. So simplify. 25 ones are 25 plus this 144 and denominator as it is. So this becomes 169 divided by 25. So here it is 169 by 25. This is nothing but our sec square theta. So sec theta is square root nikalo iska. This is 13 by 5. So we get one of the value. This is the 13 by 5 sec theta. Now find cos theta and sin theta. So here sec theta, the reciprocal of sec is cos. So cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So sec theta is 13 by 5, therefore it is 5 by 13. Now find the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, how will we get sin theta? Using the cos theta, the formula. Is it clear this one? We have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and therefore sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. अभी cos square का वैल्यू जो है अपने पास वो सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 5 by 13 bracket square. So 1 minus 25 by 169. So 169 ones are 169 minus 25 divided by this 169. So this is 144 divided by 169. So we get sin theta. This is sin square theta. ये square है, इसका square root निकालो. 12 by 13. So we get all the three values. Sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. So in this way, that first 4 questions we have to use identities and then find the values. Tan theta is equal to 1. Then find the value of sin theta plus cos theta. Divided by sec theta plus cosec theta. Find the value of this one. Now here write the solution. Tan theta is 1. So write that value. Tan theta is equal to 1. Now if we have the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now substitute the value 1 plus this tan square theta is again 1. So here this is 2. Sec square theta is 2. Taking roots of both the side, we get sec theta is equal to root 2. Now cos theta is, therefore cos theta is the reciprocal of sec, यानी 1 upon sec theta. So we get cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. So this is one of the value, cos theta, that we have to substitute here. Second value sec theta, ये भी हम लोग को यहाँ पे substitute करना है. We get 2 values. Now find other value sin theta. Now identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, this sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Substitute the value 1 minus 1 upon root 2 bracket square. ये cos theta का वैल्यू यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने सब्सटीट्यूट किया. Now squaring 1 minus इसका स्क्वायर क्या आएगा 1 upon 2. So we get 2 1s are 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So is equal to 1 upon 2. This is sin square theta. Therefore sin theta is again root of 1 and root of 2 is root 2 sin square theta. Now cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखा root 2. Cosec theta का वैल्यू आया root 2. Now we have to find this one. So write this value sin theta plus cos theta divided by sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to. Now substitute the values. Sin theta is 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 divided by sec theta is root 2 and cosec is root 2. Root 2 plus root 2. 2 upon root 2 divided by 2 root 2. So we get 2 upon root 2 multiplied by this 1 upon 2 root 2. This 2 get cancelled. 1 upon this root 2 into root 2 is 2. 1 upon 2. So the value of this one is 1 upon 2. So in this way we have to solve that questions from 1 to 5. Now from sixth one, prove that, show that is there. Means we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side or right hand side is equal to left hand side. Question number 6 is prove that. Prove that यानी left hand side लिया, right hand side prove किया, या right hand side लेके left hand prove किया. The first sum is sin square theta divided by cos theta plus this cos theta is equal to sec theta. Now left hand side हम लोग लेते हैं पहले LHS. Left hand side is sin square theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta. अगर डिनोमिनेटर नहीं तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं 1 by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication करो खाली. sin square theta into 1 is sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta and divided by cos theta into 1 is cos theta. हो गया. But sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is 1 upon cos theta and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta is equal to our RHS. So in this way easily we can solve that sum. Second sum अगर करना है तो cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 हम लोग को प्रूव करना है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिया cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta, but you know the identity cos square theta into this bracket becomes sec square theta because sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Now cos square theta as it is into sec means 1 upon cos, so 1 upon cos square theta both get cancelled is equal to 1 means left RHS. So in this way कुछ sums एकदम easy है, कुछ थोड़ा सा difficult है. So we must know all the formulas of that trigonometric ratios to solve this one. Now let us see that third sum. Root 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So here consider left hand side is root 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta. Now multiply by the conjugate of denominator. Conjugate of denominator यानी 1 plus sin theta है तो उसका उल्टा 1 minus sin theta से multiply और divide करना है. So we get root of this 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by this 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So this becomes root of, both the brackets are same, means 1 minus sin theta bracket square, and the denominator becomes a plus b, a minus b, that is 1 minus sin square theta. So this numerator as it is 1 minus sin theta bracket square divided by this 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Now taking roots of both the sides, दोनों का स्क्वायर रूट निकालो, यानी न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, नॉट बोथ द साइड. 1 माइनस साइन थीटा, ये स्क्वायर गया, इसका भी स्क्वायर जाएगा, cos थीटा. नाउ सेपरेट द डिनोमिनेटर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन cos थीटा minus sin theta upon cos theta. This cos theta is the common denominator here. Now split up this one. So 1 upon cos means sec theta and minus this one is tan theta is our right hand side. So in this way we can prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Fifth one, cot theta plus tan theta. Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Cosec theta into sec theta. So left hand side ले आओ वापिस, LHS cot theta plus tan theta. So is equal to, cot means sin theta upon, sorry, cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta and plus 1 this sin theta divided by cos theta. You know here formulas are very very important. So by cross multiplication we get this sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by this sin theta into this cos theta. So the numerator becomes, identity is there, 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. इसको split up करो. So we get 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta into this one is sec theta is our right hand side. So in this way some examples are so easy and some examples are difficult. Let's see the seventh sum. In seventh sum, in oats, that sum is changed. Sec raised to 4 लिखा है, वहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या करना है, sin raised to 4. That sum is actually like this: sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. ये हम लोग को प्रूव करना है. तो यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है, sec लिखा है. So left hand side sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta. So this becomes sin square theta bracket square minus this become cos square theta bracket square. Laws of indices. So here a square minus b square, sin square theta plus cos square theta. In another bracket, sin square theta minus cos square theta. So this bracket is, first bracket is 1, identity 1 into sin square theta minus cos square theta. So we get 1 means sin square theta minus cos square theta. But according to the identity, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta and minus this cos square theta. So we get 1 minus 2 cos square theta is our RHS. So in this way, sin raised to means a square a raised to 4 we can write a square bracket square. ये concept हम लोगों ने use किया. और identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Then we get our answer. In ninth sum, what is given? If tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, then show that the value of tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. ये हम लोग को प्रूव करना है. So consider this one given tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. Now squaring both sides. So we get a square means tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta b square plus 2 into tan theta into 1 upon tan theta means 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to this right hand side square is 4. So here this tan and this tan get cancelled. So we get this tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta plus 2 is equal to 4. अब ये 2 इस साइड में लिख देते हैं. tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4 minus this 2. So we get our result tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. So in this way easily we can prove. Here it is squaring. Taking squares of both the sides. दोनों साइड का स्क्वायर किया है and we get our result. What is given? Tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A bracket square plus cot A divided by 1 plus cot square A bracket square is equal to what do I have to prove? Sin A into cos A. So left hand side लिया. Left hand side को simplify करते जाओ. Left hand side tan A divided by this 1 plus tan square is sec square A bracket square. This is our identity. Plus this cot A divided by this is cosec square A identity bracket square. We consider only left hand side. No need to write that right hand side. So tan A और इसका अगर हम लोग स्क्वायर करते हैं तो sec square square means sec raised to 4A प्लस ये हो जाएगा cot A डिवाइडेड बाई दिस cosec स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर मींस रेस्ट टू 4A इज इक्वल टू हम लोग ऐसा लिखते हैं इसको tan A मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस डिनोमिनेटर कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन sec रेस्ट टू 4A प्लस दिस cot A as it is multiplied by this denominator 1 upon cosec 4A cosec raised to 4A. Now this tan A into 1 upon sec means cos, so this become cos raised to 4A plus cot A and this become sin raised to 4A because 1 upon cosec is sin. Now substitute the value of tan. Sin A by cos A multiplied by this cos raised to 4A and plus here cot A is cos by sin, cos A by sin A into this sin raised to 4A. अभी देखो यहां से cos raised to 4A डिवाइडेड बाय cos A, एक cos A कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एक sin A कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So we get sin A into cos cube A, cos cube A plus cos A into sin cube A. From this both terms sin A cos A कॉमन निकालो. sin A into cos A अभी ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा, देखो यहां से साइन ए कॉमन लिया, एक कॉस ए कॉमन लिया, तो बचेगा क्या, कॉस स्क्वायर ए। द रिमेनिंग टर्म्स आर कॉस स्क्वायर ए, प्लस यहां से कॉस ए कॉमन लिया, साइन ए कॉमन लिया, सो रिमेनिंग टर्म साइन स्क्वायर ए, बट दिस ब्रैकेट इज द आइडेंटिटी इज 1, so sin a into cos a into this 1 is equal to sin a into cos a is our right hand side. So in this way this 10th sum is completed. So let us see that 11th sum, that is sec raised to 4a into bracket 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a is equal to 1. Consider this left hand side, sec raised to 4a into bracket 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिया हम लोगों ने, is equal to this sec raised to 4a can be written as 1 upon cos raised to 4a into bracket 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a. Now next step is equal to this 1 upon cos raised to 4a into bracket, this can be written as 1 square, 1 square is 1 minus this sin raised to 4a is sin square a bracket square minus 2 tan square a, so this become a square minus b square, तो उसको split up करो, 1 upon cos raised to 4a into bracket 1 plus sin square a and 1 minus sin square a, इसका factors 1 square minus sin square a means a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b minus 2 tan square a, 1 plus sin square a, and this becomes into cos square a divided by this cos raised to 4a minus this 2 tan square a. यहां तक समझ में आया, 1 plus sin square a, ये 1 minus sin square means cos square a, तो ये cos square और यहां का एक cos square कैंसिल हो जाएगा, so we get 1 plus sin square a डिवाइडेड बाय, यहां पे cos raised to 4 है तो क्या रहेगा बाकी, cos square a, cos square a and minus 2 tan square a as it is. So this becomes, this cos square a separate करो अभी, 1 upon cos square a, so here it is 1 upon cos square a plus this sin square a upon cos square a and minus 2 tan square a. So 1 upon cos square a is sec square a. 1 upon cos square a means sec square a. This becomes plus tan square a and minus this 2 tan square a. So we get sec square a and minus tan square a, so is equal to 1 because identity is there, sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So using this identity, since sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a, अगर हम लोग इसको tan square को a साइड में लेके आते हैं तो ये 1 हो गया. So in this way this practice set 6.1 is completed. Dear friends, if you have any doubt in trigonometry, this practice set 6.1, then write in the comment box. I definitely clear your doubt. And if you like my videos, please like that videos and subscribe the channel to get the latest and new videos. And share these videos to your friends. Remember this.